Okay, as you guys already know, hey man, a fraction is really just an unfinished division problem. So 1/5 is like 1 divided by 5. So that's going to come out to, let's just do 1 divided by 5. That's going to be 0.2. And you're like, hey, that's a decimal, but not a percent. How do we do that? Well, we do that little conversion, man, 100% over 1, because we want to get the percent symbol going. And multiply by 100, right? Well, first we'll put the percent symbol in the answer. When we multiply by 100, moving the decimal place 2 to the right. So if I'd taken, 0.2, go 2 to the right, now it's 20. So that's 20%. Okay, next one, 2 divided by 3, 2 over 3, 2/3 is going to be 2 divided by 3. So I got the devil's number coming up here. It's 0.6666. I don't want to write out a million sixes. Excuse me. But then multiply by 100%. Over 1, right? And then if we take them like 0.6666, we go to the right. It's like right there. Now it's going to be 66.66%. Actually, and look, some teachers are going to be sticklers. They're like, you better have the Winkeln bar or the repeater bar over that 6 right there. Okay, let's do 3/8. So that's going to be 3 divided by 8, which works out to be 0.375. And again, we got to do that conversion factor. If your teacher wants it all official, we just do 100% times 100% over 1. And then we're going to move the decimal place 2 to the right. So over here, I'll do my work. And it's like, okay, 1, 2 places to the right. Now it becomes 37.5%. And there you go, working from fractions to decimals as the intermediate step, and then 2%.